Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete Duolingo account. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the Duolingo application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure you're logged in using your user credentials and you will see this page. Now, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and you will see the profile page where you'll have to simply click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen and it will take you up to your accounts page. Here, click on profile icon and you will see this page. Now here you will see your name, username, password and email appearing just right here. Simply click on the delete account button and it will prompt you to this page. Now, as you can see, by proceeding, you will delete your Duolingo account and Duolingo for Schools account and erase all of your personal data is stored by Duolingo. You will lose your learning progress and achievements. Once completed, this action cannot be undone. The deletion can take up to 30 days. You will have 7-day grace period to abort the account deactivation process. So make sure you know this that you have a 7-day grace period to abort the account deactivation process. So please cancel your subscription on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now on this page, click on delete account and click on delete account button again. When you'll click on the delete account button again here in this prompt, it will instantly delete your Duolingo account. So that is the simple way to delete your Duolingo account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.